channel. So today I'm showing you my everyday smoky eye. I love this because it is so versatile. You can wear it with any outfit, you can wear it with any lipstick or blush, whatever makeup. It is my go-to when I need to look very nice and presentable in a short amount of time. So subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Leave all your comments and questions down below. I make sure to respond to everyone. So enough of me rambling on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. Guys, in close enough. I have a new filming setup in this apartment, so I'm still playing around with the setup and everything, so I hope everything looks good for you guys. So it might be a little dark or it might be a little bit off, but I promise I will fix that for the next video. I already started on my brows, and for that I used the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. So now I'm gonna start by just moisturizing my face. I already applied my moisturizer, but I'm going to spray my Pixie Glow Mist. This is just amazing during the winter time. Our skins are pretty dry, even if you're oily. I'm oily combo, so my skin just gets super dry this time of year, so I always like to have a little mist on hand. So I'm actually gonna get started with my foundation first, and what I wanna use is this NYX Total Control foundation. So I'm just gonna put a couple drops on this Real Techniques buffing brush and just buff that into the skin. Ever since I got these Fenty matchsticks, I've been using them non-stop. So I'm gonna use her matchsticks in the color Suede as my under eye highlight. To blend that in, I'm gonna use this Real Techniques brush. This is the Expert Face Brush, and blend that into my skin. To set that, I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. It's one of my favorite. It's a staple. I cannot wear foundation without this. Even without foundation, sometimes I like to just pat away all of the oil. But I absolutely love this product, and I only use a little bit. And then I'm also gonna put that on my forehead. I like to just smooth it around and around my mouth. Alright, so now I want to add some bronzer. I'm obsessed with this CoverGirl Ebony Bronze Bronzer. I'm going to apply this using this Angled Beach Cosmetics brush. I think this does a really good job at applying the bronzer while also blending it in so it's not so harsh. So I like to blend that in to the sides of my face and then blend that all around my forehead. So I like to do this just to kind of minimize the size of my forehead, and then blend it in to the sides of my face. This is MAC's Sheer Tone Shimmer Blush in the color Amberine Rose. It's so pretty. I hope you guys can see the shimmer in the blush. And can you guys see that sheen? This is the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions. It's so pretty. I want to prime my lids using this NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and this is in the color Cafe. I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder and just apply that all over my lids. And then I'm gonna take this this fluffy brush, and I'm gonna dip this into this light brown shadow in the top right corner of the Topaz palette, and I'm gonna blend this through my crease. Now I'm gonna go into this crease color in that Maybelline Time Shayla palette. I'm gonna take that same brush and dip it into that brown. I'm actually gonna go a little bit lower than I originally had that lighter orange color, but I am placing it right on top. All right, with the Morphe M513 brush, I'm gonna dip into this dark brown shade. Just put a little bit on there, and I'm gonna put that into my outer corner. Alright, and then for my lid, I'm actually going to take this peach shade that's in the middle. I normally just go with like a lighter color, it doesn't really matter. I'm using an eyeshadow brush and just dipping into that peach color and putting that all over my lid. I'm gonna use this medium orangey brown shade that I put on top, and I'm just gonna put this on the bottom of my line. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm gonna go with this other brush. It's a flat brush, but it's a little bit more like blendy, if that makes sense. And then now I'm gonna go into that Maybelline dark brown shade and put that on my lower lash line as well. I'm gonna take that Morphe M513 brush and just blend that out. I'm gonna take this dark brown shade right here. These actually don't have names, so I'm just gonna say the dark brown shade right here, and that Morphe M165 angled flat brush, and I'm going to draw out a wing on the outer corner. This is the MAC eyeliner pencil in the color Coffee, which is like a dark chocolatey gray brown, and I'm just gonna put that in my lower lash line as well as tight line. Okay, and then one thing I always like to do is just going with the mascara. I'm going to be applying some falsies, and these are the ones that I love to use. These are the Ardell Wispies, and they are the Demi Wispies. This is the NYX Worth the Hype mascara, and I just use any kind of mascara when I'm going to wear falsies. I'm back, and my lashes are on. So, lashes are on. I absolutely love these lashes. They're so comfy. So I also put some of that NYX mascara to my lower lash line. Now it is time for the lips. I'm going to line my lips using MAC Chestnut Lip Pencil. This is like my go-to. I love this one by MAC called Film Noir. It's like a deep brownish red. So I'm going to use MAC's Persistent. This is a little bit more matte, and place that in the center. It's a lighter color. So this is the finished makeup look. I love this. This is my everyday smoky eye. It's so easy to do. It doesn't really take me that long if I'm not talking and filming a video. I normally can do this in probably like 10 minutes. I lied, okay. I could probably do this in 15 minutes. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere.